guys, and welcome to another video. And today we're going to be doing a video, and my sister is going to be joining me.
Sadly, messy hair today.
Okay, we're going to be playing Baldi's Basics once again. As you see in my last video, horrible. I did so bad, and I'm really bad at this game. So hopefully my sister is better. And endless mode would stink. I've never tried it, and I don't think I want to.
I think Dan TDM played this whenever it was Baldi's birthday.
I think he did.
He was like 1.
Yep.
But he's so tall.
Yeah.
That's a problem. He should just be crawling, slapping a ruler.
That'd be scary.
Yeah, that'd be funny. We don't care about you, Baldi.
I love his arm. His arm is the best. That tells you how good I am at games, especially that I can't open the door. Imagine I got detention right now.
If there's something like, oh, right now, I'm gonna get something real quick, okay?
Problem 3. 7 minus. I can't believe it. You're incredible.
I know I'm incredible. Fight me.
Beauty is great. Come here and get your prize.
Come here.
A shiny quarter.
A shine.
I'm back.
Then
I need cotton headphones.
use it on. Right
I need
click
this
on
for a
the object
reason.
with
I don't like the end part whenever it's just buzzing.
items
I don't like it.
Problem 1. 2. I can't believe it. You're incredible. Great job. That's right.
Just do minus or something like that.
I love his face.
I love his face, yeah.
He's just like, come on. I wonder.
He's coming.
I wonder if I could mod this game so I could get that last one right. And hello.
I'm gonna start putting these on just in case if you get caught.
I'm never gonna get caught.
Like last time you got caught, like in a second.
Yeah.
When we played this before we recorded. But last time you need rest. So we need to find rest. We need rest.
We don't need to find rest. We already.
I hate the dummy. Get away from the dummy.
Hello.
Go through him.
No. Stop. How? Your face is nice. Let's not, please.
Play dummy. Go away, dummy.
Where is he at?
Oh, he's coming.
Why you do that? Why do you?
Principal's coming too. You might want to be careful.
Oh, I forgot. I'm supposed to be looking for notebooks. Hold up. I need to find notebooks. No, stop! You're pushing me towards him.
No. That's the principal. Oh my god.
Stop! 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 B-Soda! B-Soda, yes!
Yeah, that's the sound that I'd like to hear when I view a film.
Worst game in the world.
Switch spots.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning.
I'm gonna be so
You're
bad
gonna
at
have to
this.
use these keys. So instead of these, it's just these.
Oh, I hate those keys though. Wait, did I push endless mode? Uh-oh.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, hi.
Wait, what?
It's these four. WSAD. My sister does not video game, so she...
No, wait, I do this one instead of that, so it's harder.
This one, it doesn't work.
Yeah, no. I wish it did though.
You can't go through the doors.
Yeah.
All right, let me get the notebook for you. So switch. Let's switch.
We need to switch. I am so bad at this. I can't even use controls. Okay, just.
How about we do this? How about you tell me where to go?
Yeah,
And I'll
that
move
would be
around.
easier. Because I can't actually play the game, sadly.
Our
I'm used to the arrow.
favorite subject, math. Good one. Problem 2.
You can do the math problems. I'm not doing the math problem.
Problem
It's
3.
like a Saturday. I don't want to do math.
Plus 7. Great job.
I exist.
Right.
We exist. We
Wow,
exist.
you exist.
Okay.
You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter.
Shiny quarter.
Just click on it with the left mouse button.
I thought he was gonna get out, so I'm like, oh my gosh.
When you find something you can use it on, right-click on the object with the quarter selected. That's how you use items, you know.
Cool.
Problem 1.
That's easy.
I can't believe it.
Not
You're
easy.
incredible. Problem.
He's triggered. He's triggered. I messed up. I wasn't paying attention. Cancel. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
He's coming.
No, duh, really?
Which way?
You're right there. He's right
Oh
there.
my gosh. Trey, you gotta run. You gotta run.
I'm not running because I can't. No running in the hole. 5 minutes attention. Come on. Yo, this is creepy. Where? Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
No, that's the bug spray. There was the bee spray.
No, it wasn't the bee. It wasn't the bee soda. That's always good.
What do you even use
Come
the
on.
quarters for? So it's
Are
kinda
you?
useless.
Oh, this is.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
2 notebooks.
Yeah.
All right, let's actually see what endless mode is.
Yeah, because I don't.
That's me.
It's probably just
Yeah.
you play for like a long
Let's
time.
do some math.
It's probably because it's like endless. You can't even stop the game. Or you just have to like.
Look at my hand. It's like,
It's so
what
tight.
even is that?
Hi.
Hard.
To my schoolhouse.
Hard. Wait, does that mean he lives here? Because he said my schoolhouse.
Probably
Now
does.
it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math.
No, it's
a
not.
good one.
It's nobody's
Problem
favorite
2.
subject.
Hey,
hate
you're
math.
doing fantastic.
Wait, hold up.
Problem 3. 8 plus 7 equals.
15.
You're doing fantastic.
I love his mouth just going.
Yeah.
You did
Love it.
great. Come here
It's
and get
funny.
your prize. A
Shiny quarter. We get it.
Just click on it with the left mouse button to pick it up.
Okay.
Next, once I do this game,
Find something you can use
I'm
on.
definitely going to mod it so I can get the problem that I'm about to show you right.
Problem 1.
Next, I feel like we should do a different game.
Fantastic. Great job.
See?
If we did this,
Right.
if this ended like an hour, that would be so like.
Times.
I think
This
you're
is gonna be the
supposed to
right
guess the
answer.
numbers that
Okay.
I'm like.
Endless mode. Oh gosh. Wait, does that mean we have to collect as many? Whoa! How you doing, Baldy?
Kill as many what?
How's life? Pretty good, right? Yeah, life. No running in the halls.
I'm gonna keep this one.
No! Stop!
I
Stop!
hear her voice.
Stop! It's a man's voice.
I hate his voice.
Why do I always go this way?
I don't know.
Please, if there's...
No. Get away.
No running in the halls. 5 minutes detention. I can do that voice so well.
Nothing. Just that.
Can you-
Bully's right behind you.
No, duh, really? Oh, I thought he just saw me running.
There
in
was
the
2
halls.
people right there.
Yes! I found another notebook.
Yes. Hold up. 8.
Yes! That's more like... Wait, why was I able to get that one right? Okay. I see how it is then.
Bully's gonna open up
I'm
the door.
definitely taking these. Oh my gosh, that actually scared me.
You sounded like a girl.
It scared me. I wasn't expecting it.
You sounded like a girl.
I thought he was a little farther away from that. Jeez. Why did
I
that
like
scare
endless
me so
mode.
bad? It literally made me go, what?
That's me.
Maybe that's because that's endless mode. That's probably because it scares you more.
It scared me. I was a little frightened.
You don't like bully?
No, it's
Just
not.
look away.
Look
Okay.
away.
Okay, you play.
Alright, ready?
You can't look away. I'm sorry. You need to play.
I don't even know.
So we're gonna do this video until we get all the notebooks.
That is way too long. Nobody would watch that.
Just a little more, because it's about 10 minutes. No. Oh well. Who cares how long it is? Like Dan
A
TPM,
shiny quarter.
makes his videos a little long. Like one of them, he made an hour. We didn't even watch it.
So?
It
I
was
don't
so
know why we're talking
long.
about Dan TDM.
Oh, Dan TPM's good. He played Baldi. So, what? He's mad.
It's impossible to do
Wait.
that question.
I get angry for. Hey, I was reading
It
that.
said I get angry for every time you get one wrong. Already? Oh! I'm done with this game. This game
we're
is
done.
so.
We're done. We're ending this video. We're sorry. If you want to watch more, we just can't, like, we can't.
Bye guys! See you later in the next video. If you guys want to see any Battlefront videos, and yes guys, do not forget to like and subscribe and
Ring
turn
the
on
bell.
the post notifications, ring the bell, like the video, do whatever you want. And
Comment
just
down
put the when you liked and subscribe, put it down below in the comments. And we will see you guys later. Bye!